Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Orlando Pirates could see two of their best players signing with European clubs. First, it's Relebohile Mofokeng, who could go to Union Saint-Gilloise, the Belgian champions, and also Oswin Apolis, who could join the Portuguese champions FC Porto. According to reports, the Portuguese giants FC Porto has submitted a €4 million transfer bid for the 24-year-old winger Oswin Apolis, and Orlando Pirates have accepted the proposal and the player could make his move to Portugal. Reports are that the C Robbers paid 16 million to sign Oswin Apolis from Polokwane City, and now selling him for €4 million, which could potentially be 74 million rands, would see them make over 50 million in profit in just a single campaign, in which Oswin Apolis helped Orlando Pirates to win the Betway Premiership for the first time in 14 years, with the winger scoring 9 goals and 6 assists. The Cape Town Spurs Academy product arrived at Orlando Pirates with plenty of expectations after his impressive performances at Polokwane City, and only few could have predicted how quickly he would establish himself as one of the country's most exciting players. He will likely be the contender for PSL awards, especially the coveted PSL Footballer of the Season, as well as the Players Player of the Season. There are reports that Orlando Pirates had previously rejected an offer from MLS club Chicago Fire in 2025, the same club that signed Mbegezeli Mbokazi from Orlando Pirates. Under Abdeslam Ouaddou, the winger developed into a more complete player, adding defensive work rate, tactical discipline to his natural attacking ability. His pace, creativity, and ability to beat defenders became one of Pirates' biggest weapons during a successful campaign that saw Orlando Pirates win a domestic treble that consists of the MTN 8, the Carling Knockout, and also the Betway Premiership. His form peaked at the end of the season, where he contributed 5 goals and 2 assists in the final 10 games at the club, producing the kind of performances that often attracts attention from overseas clubs. His rise was not only limited to club football. Oswin Apolis became one of Bafana Bafana's most important attacking players under Hugo Broos, producing 16 goal contribution, 8 goals and 8 assists in 31 caps. The winger played a crucial role in South Africa's qualification to the 2026 FIFA World Cup, and he also made his mark during the tournament. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move of Oswin Apolis to move to FC Porto? Do you think that it's a good move for him and also for Orlando Pirates? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And when it comes to Relebohile Mofokeng, his deal is almost complete, with the playmaker reportedly on the verge of sealing a high-profile move to Belgian Pro League side Royal Union Saint-Gilloise ahead of the 2026-27 European campaign. The 21-year-old is expected to travel directly from North America straight to Belgium to finalize the transfer, following a historic FIFA World Cup campaign with Bafana Bafana that saw them qualify for the knockout stages for the first time in the country's history. Since earning promotion from the Buccaneers DStv Diski Challenge to the senior team in May 2023, the Val-born talisman has rapidly established himself as one of the most attacking young talents on the African continent. His domestic dominance was solidified last season, where he inspired the C Robbers to a historic treble, lifting the MTN 8 Carling Knockout and also ending a 14-year league drought and dethroning Mamelodi Sundowns of the Betway Premiership that they've won 8 seasons in a row to claim the Betway Premiership title. Mofokeng was a central figure in the championship campaign, racking up 10 goals and 8 assists across 27 league appearances. His stellar performances have seen him tipped to win the Betway Players Player of the Season and also the Footballer of the Season, alongside his teammate Oswin Apolis. Mofokeng, who's still just 21 years old, has cemented his legacy in the iconic black and white in just 3 seasons, contributing over 60 goal contributions across all competitions. And this is not the first time the highly rated attacker has attracted interest from Europeans elite. Mofokeng previously spent time on trial with English side Wolverhampton Wanderers and had inquiries from Scottish powerhouse Rangers as well as Spanish giants Barcelona. However, it's Union Saint-Gilloise who looks to have won the race for his signature. Let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Orlando Pirates selling 2 of their best players from last season? Do you think that this is a good move for Orlando Pirates and also for Ozwinapolis and also Relebohile Mofokeng? And do you think that these players are moving to the right leagues that will help them to develop and to play for one of the biggest teams in Europe? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of this transfer news. See you next time.